We saw what was going on in Santa Clara earlier today. What's happening in other parts of Utah, Dan?
Well, mostly sunny skies, and I have the pictures to prove it. In fact, I'm glad you asked that, Hope. It's turned out to be an absolutely incredible day. And, you know, I went outside for about 10, 15 minutes today just because it was absolutely perfect. Probably one of the best days we have had in months. Well, look at that blue out there. This is the camera looking from the Olympus Cove out towards the Oquirrh Mountains. Here's a different perspective, and we're looking downtown. You can kind of see Antelope Island in the distance. Often when we can see on this camera Antelope Island and see downtown clearly, there's not a lot of smoke in the air. That's nice considering there are still so many forest fires burning across the Pacific Northwest, and sometimes that air gets into Utah and it's not even our fault. I even read, believe it or not, the fires in Siberia were reaching the Pacific Northwest and causing smoke problems there, and some of that was actually reaching us. Not the case here in Moab. Beautiful day. See, Hope, you asked. And I know this camera angle is kind of weird from St. George, but it's sunny. There is no rain in St. George. 84 degrees right now in St. George. Winds are light. Humidity is 33%. We have 76 in Salt Lake City. Lake breeze blowing at 10 miles per hour from the northwest. And we have humidity, which is down low. 10%, so it's dry out there. You know, the last of the storm is gone. It was here about 2 hours ago. Blandy was getting some showers and thunder showers and around a Mexican Hat and the Four Corners. Look where this storm has gone, though, from Colorado Springs and all the way up through the Midwest, and it spreads all the way into New Mexico and still in Arizona. But the southwest part of the state is dry. The Wasatch Front is dry. We are going to stay that way. Speaking of dry, look at the difference the monsoon makes. Cedar City has had 12.62 inches for the water year, 116%. Salt Lake City, 73%. And Evanston, what is that, 39% for the water year? We need precipitation in northern Utah, southwest Wyoming, southern Oregon. Storms moving away. Temperatures right now 78 in Vernal. We have 79 in Richfield, and there's that 77 in Page. It's a really nice day, and we're looking for forecasts to be just as nice tomorrow, maybe a tad warmer, lots of sunshine. Wendover will be 80. How about a 72 in Ely, an 80-degree temperature in Richfield, and 76 in Blanding. Dry weather all the way across the board, 90s in St. George, no chance for any rain the next 7 days, and we have gorgeous weather from the 70s, mid-80s over the weekend, but just absolutely fantastic. Hope, Bob?